Hi guys, today I will explain how to make a Google form. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the Google Chrome or any other browser in your computer and then take a look on the right top. You will see your account. If you have not signed in, then first sign in your account and then tap on these dots. After tapping on these dots, if you scroll down, here you can also see the option forms. If I click on it, then I will be redirected to forms. But maybe this option will not be available. Then what you have to do, scroll up and open your Google Drive. And once your drive will be open, take a look on the left top. You can see the icon new. Click on it and here you can find Google Forms. Just click on it to get access of Google Forms. Now we are redirected to the forms. Here I can create a Google form. On the top you can see the title. So first write the title for your form by clicking on it. After writing, I will remove the previous one. If you look below, you can see the option of bold, italic, underline and insert a link, and this one is for remove formatting. If you want to make it bold, then select all your title and tap on the option bold. And you can see the text has been bold. Below you can write the description for your form like I am writing. So I write this one. Now take a look on the right. This one is for add question because here is the single question. So you can add multiple. You will see few options. The first one is for adding question because here is a single question. So if I tap on this plus, you can see I can add another question. This one is for importing question. If you have form in your computer, then click on it and here you can import your data. Select in which you have your form. Like if you have form in your drive, then click on it and import form from your drive. But currently I don't have any form, so that's why I will close it. The third one is for adding title and description. If I tap on it, I can add another title. The next one is add image. If you have image, then you can add image in this question. And this one is add video. If I tap on it, then it will be redirected to YouTube. It will work as an example video. Like you had a question and you want to show some example to your student or to your friend. Then here you can paste the link of that video. And this one is for adding a section. Now, time to write a question. So now I will write a question here. Here I wrote 1 plus 2. If I tap on it, this one is a multiple choice. If you tap on it, here you can choose different things like short answer, paragraph, check boxes, drop boxes. But I will be let it as it is on multiple choice. Now let's time to write the answer. The option 1 is 5. Add another one by tapping on this add option. Option 2 is 4. The next option will be 3 and another option is 2. You can also write this by yourself, but it was suggested by the Google, so that's why I will let it be. Take a look on the right bottom. Here you can see the option required. Tap on it and turn it on. This will be the mandatory to answer of this form. And if you want to delete, then click on the option delete. Then this answer will be deleted. Now take a look on the right top. Here you can see the option of customize theme. Tap on it, and if you want to change the color or font or something else, then you can do it by using this one. And once you think your form is ready, click on the option send, and here you can send it via email. Just need to enter the email of the next person. And this one is for copy link. Click on it and copy the link of this form and send it to your friends or to your student. And this one is for HTML format. Just copy this link and share it. And it was the way by which you can create a Google form.